Hello there and welcome to Chris Hall Motorcycles in Doncaster, and welcome to the channel or welcome back to the channel. Either way, don't forget, smash the like button and subscribe, share, etc, etc. It is free. What have I got for you today? Do I need to even tell you what I've got for you today? 1974 Suzuki GT750 L, the Kettle, the iconic Kettle, legendary in its own right, etc, etc. And this particular example is stunning. Before we get into the actual metal, the bike is supplied with a huge file here of owner's manuals, photos, invoices for the build, etc, etc. A full file of documentation going on there. So, back to the bike in question. Like I say, it's a 1974, obviously import from Pennsylvania. And built and restored to a very, very high standard. The speedo is currently showing 30,195 miles, kind of irrelevant on these kind of bikes, and it's just lovely. So we'll just do a slow walk around of the bike, just enjoying it for what it is. Classic 752 stroke, and as you can see, you know, original pipes, etc, etc. Like I say, it is an L, I believe. I'm sure lots of you guys out there know the Kettle fraternity is very knowledgeable, very clued up. They'll tell me if I'm wrong straight away. It's orange flake is the colour. In fact, let me just open up the seat. There we go, because I know that these guys like to see under the seat. Here we've got all the original stickers there. But yeah, nice and clean, that. Nice and clean. Paintwork's lovely. Whoever has done the paint has done a sterling job on it. That is for sure. But every time we get one of these, they just go straight away. They really do. The following for the Kettle is bigger than most classic Japanese bikes, I'm going to say. There's not many that command the sought after and desirability that these Kettles do. So I'm just going to put the camera down. I'm just going to see if we can start the old girl. I started it today, so let's get some two-stroke smoke going on here. So sorry for getting my back ending. Just a bit of choke. Turn that off now due to the smoking in the corridor. No smoking allowed. Oh, I'll tell you something, like every time I wish I could bag this up and sell it. Beautiful, beautiful. Love the smell. Might not be very good for my health, but God, beautiful. So yes, sounds lovely. Starts on the board. Beautiful. Got some like I say, look at that. Just after 30 seconds. So yeah, this is the 1974 Suzuki GT750 Kettle L model in stock today. If you've got any questions whatsoever on this vehicle, you can give me a shout on 01302 760 967, or you can email me chrishallmotorcycles@googlemail.com. Alternatively, if you do want to come down and look at this bike in person, you're more than welcome. But as usual, just give me a shout before you come to look at it to make sure it's still available. Odds on this won't hang around very long. Even got original Suzuki wing mirrors. A lot don't. There's a lot we have with patent ones, but original Suzuki ones. So yeah. Also, if you want any more detailed photos, just go to my website, which is chrishallmotorcycles.co.uk. What a nice bite that is. And I'm still absorbing that 2-stroke smoke, guys. Oh, beautiful. So, without further ado, I'm going to sign off. Don't forget, smash the like button, hit the subscribe button. Loads more classics coming on this channel soon. We've got a lot more bikes to work with and work on, as you'll have seen from our walk around videos. So stay tuned and stay safe, and have a good day, folks, and I hope to see you all soon. The kettle's on permanently, so if you're passing by, bobbing for a brew, say hello, and yeah, enjoy. Cheers.